It's Lily. I'm back with the latest SecureTransport features and improvements. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Tomcat, OpenJDK, and BCTLS FIPS. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. We're happy to announce that Rocky Linux 9 is now a supported platform for SecureTransport, offering customers a free alternative to the supported commercial Linux distributions. The route templates beta functionality has been extended with 3 more steps: line ending, line truncating, and PGP encryption. To improve overall accessibility, we've also introduced 2 new features: reordering of routes and steps, and breadcrumb navigation. As part of our ongoing commitment to enhancing SecureTransport's accessibility, SD Web Client now allows users to toggle single and double letter shortcuts on and off. Additionally, the same menu provides a link to our accessibility compliance statement. Thank you for watching. Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.